Christmas used to feel different when we were kids. Family together, church on the 25th, and the real celebration, the feast, on the 26th. Those days felt longer, warmer, and fuller. Back then, Christmas wasn't a rush. It was about being in present, with family, with faith, and joy. But life changes. I moved to another city. I started living on my own. I got a job, and responsibilities come along. I work like a 24/7 job now, and getting a holiday isn't easy, especially on Christmas Day. So this year, getting the 25th off is like a blessing. I'm really grateful my manager allowed it, because moments like this don't come often anymore. Here, we celebrate Christmas a little differently. Because of time and convenience, everything happens in one day. Church, celebration, and the feast, all on the 25th. It's not how it used to be, but it's what we have now. So this vlog is not just about Christmas celebration, it's about how tradition change when life move forward.
Tay lang hakreng doon. Pui Kim Kero Rempui Zorema Sanga when I hear in kan black sheep el jacob azoron kal lautan
Kapul sak kapul
lang klorap eh
ini tu kan congkai na ta ro lau
hey
na na
himin kayo Lau hơi tèo do không ngồi rạp so lại sao việc kiến cho nhà more việc kiến cho đón thì lẽ ở chân về không cần chân thôi nó mình ít ngon lắm mà đã bảo đến đart lòng đồng quê đâu lòng về rồi YouTube sao lao qua cái lời
episode by Christmas dia dia today for you long sedih dia lima dosa
hey so rồi mà vlog back zoom hey cái conversation kan zo to á cho nên second session main refreshment kan ấy lệ đó nè what na line it thui nè mình zo tâm này Lalpupoy. Confident. Là điệu thắp bằng vlog. Trong cam chả lồng xong phải chết. Vậy là căn mẹ tuổi hay is good from te. Careful, all people speak. Hay đà là nhá, hay arsa nhá, hay ăn chăm bay, dấu bay, arsa, chuan. Alu le arsakan oh boksa salad. This is mizo salad. Pan. Joy. Hi guys, this is
like, subscribe.
this is Carol, this is Stephen, and this is me. Where did they go?
We are born.
Alright,
Great.
we have no idea where we are going right now. Where did they go? I'm the real third wheel. Tụi này anh cần tắc ảnh mù lầu tắc khuyên nghe calories dây môi hù sharp sáng nó mong mong bánh chanh mà sẽ
Even though I'm living in another city now and life feels busier than ever, the Christmas spirit is still here. It may not feel the same as childhood, but the meaning hasn't disappeared. It has just grown with me. And maybe that's what Christmas really is. Childhood Christmas live in days, adult Christmas live in moments. And tonight, these moments is enough. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you.